Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the piercing gaze of New Jersey's sun, young titans clashed. The Black Mambas coiled, ready to strike, but it was the juvenile juggernauts, the Droner elites, eyeing a dance of domination on this cricketing stage.
Indeed, a tale of youth and vigor was to unfold. With Willow and Leather set to narrate the day's script, the Mambas were poised to inject venom, while the Droner elites aimed to enchant with their cricketing spell.
A skirmish of skill, where the Droner elites parried every blow, cruising to a win with a wicket to spare. The Mambas hissed but could not bite deep, their innings folding quicker than a collapsible crease.
The Mambas' gamble to bat first turned into a fateful stumble, as the Droner elites weaved a web of precision bowling. Extras flowed, yet the elites kept their cool, chasing down the total with eyes firmly on the prize.
Amidst the Mambas' struggle, Parv Saini's blade flickered with defiance, contributing a hard-fought 23. But the elites' bowler Monish Nalapati, a young maestro of seam, spun a treacherous symphony, claiming 3 for 14.
Vihan Singhania's spell was a masterclass in economy, shackling the Mambas with a double-wicket bounty. The elites, like a disciplined orchestra, conceded just enough extras to keep the scorecard interesting.
In contrast, the Droner elites embarked on their hunt with calculated aggression. The Karthikeyan Jayaprakash duet crafted a partnership of 90, a testament to their unyielding command and poise.
While the Mambas bowlers, with spearhead Pratyush Srivastav, toiled with grit, the elites' batters stood firm. Srivastav's lone strike offered a glimmer, but the elites' pursuit was relentless, a narrative of sheer determination.
Nalapati's trio of scalps was an exhibition of youthful exuberance mixed with deadly accuracy. Meanwhile, over at the crease, Jay Prakash's bat whispered tales of resilience, staying not out to guide his team home.
Nalapati's bowling carved the initial chapters of victory, which were further penned by Jayaprakash. Their acts, pivotal and defining, wrote the concluding scenes of this enthralling drama.
A 9-wicket triumph orchestrated by the Droner elites, a dance of sheer dominance indeed. Proving strategy trumps venom, the elites' relentless chase quelled the Mambas' early strike.
With the scent of victory captured in the breeze, the Droner elite celebration was but a mirror to their composed and strategic gameplay, a masterful display of juvenile prowess. The elites' performance evoked memories of cricketing greats in their prime. As the dust settles on this chapter, these young guns with dreams in their stride move one step closer to carving their names in history.
As stumps were drawn on this battlefield, the echoes of a powerful elites' victory lay embedded in the heart of New Jersey. This saga, a glimpse into the future, sets the stage for enthralling encounters as the cricketing season unfolds.